Okay, I'm back. Oh, a lot of ditches here. All right, so I had to make a couple covers. I didn't buy some other nice covers. I kind of made something. So it's more of a migratory cover. Probably needs a little modification, but you know what? I think this will work for now until I can build some other ones. So let's look. So here's my 10 frame, deep. I have this bottom board. It's not screened. Put it there. Okay. So this is for a new package. So now we got to do the same thing we've been doing with packages. Take out the frames. We're going to reduce this entrance down. Hardly nothing. I know you hear me humming. I don't mean to be humming, but it's very exciting stuff. Let's take out some of these frames. Okay. Slide up. And we're going to need a feeder for this, so we'll use one of these guys on top. This I won't need. I'll bring this back to the truck. I got some food over there. Beekeeping. This is Tommy B from Long Island. Hey. Package. Good package. You're going to give them a little spritz of water. Cool them down. Make them a little happy. They had a long trip from Georgia. This is from Mountain Sweet Honey. This stuff is pretty good, I've been finding. These last two packages I got were good. There wasn't as many dead bees. My first 4 packages I got, there was like hardly any dead bees, but I got those back in the beginning of April. You know, when they got to transfer over, it's a little tough, you know, it's a little hot in those trucks coming from down south. So, you know, we're going to do the usual thing here. We'll pop out the cover. Smoke we don't really need. One would think. Okay, take out the cover. You got to work your hive tool up in there. Really funny. One I did this morning for my cousin. I thought the can was empty, but it seemed like it was you know, about a quarter full. I would have thought that it would have been really empty, you know, being there was some dead bees in there. But okay, that's the one cover. Knock down his nails. We'll save this for a minute. You'll see why, as they always say. Let me put my hood back on. Hot day. And guys, just to let you know, this stuff gets inspected. So let me just show you the inspection tag. If you don't have an inspection tag, then you got to be careful. This is the inspection tag that comes on the box. Actually comes on the package. If you have just one bag, one package, it'll be on that one package. But if you have multiple, it'll be on just one, but it's for the whole package. It's just stapled together. These two came stapled together. So I like to save these. So I'll put that there. Save it. Oh, another thing. You know what I find that I like to restaple the queen in there. Because it just, I don't know, it just stays. I did those couple of the packages, and one of them fell down. You know, I had rubber bands on them. So let me get my stapler here real quick. Stapler, razor blade. Okay. Close back on. I hope all you other beekeepers out there are having fun this summer. I hope you get a lot of good nectar, a lot of good honey. You know, I'm hoping for a little honey. Who knows? You know, if this keeps up, then maybe I will get some. Let's see if we can dig this out a little bit. You know what I find too, guys? You really should carry a, let's just cut it, a pair of dikes, you know, so you can just snip the staple. You know, they put the staple on a little tight, but so what we're going to do is we're going to bounce these bees one shot. And I'm going to take out this. Oh, stay there. Problem with the last one too. Queenie. Okay. Hold on to that. Hold on to this. Let me get my little piece of plywood. See, this one feels like it's full too. Slide the plywood over. Take the queen out. See if the queen is alive. She in there? There she is. I see her. They don't look like they're balling her, so hopefully they're accepting her. Let's see. She's a nice queen. I don't know if you can see that. There? You're right there? There she is. Okay. So what I like to do is I'm going to staple. I know. I'll give you back your queen. Don't worry. I like to staple this too on the outside. But let's take out the cork. Don't take out the cork that doesn't have the candy. Like, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Nice some candy in there. Loosen it up a little bit if you want. The last one I kind of, you know, it's funny because what happens is, we're going to run this through there. Run through there. Always keep the cage side out. So what I did is I just sliced it there and I just pulled it through. And it kind of made like a, I know, you get your queen back in a little bit. Actually, I should go the other way. Because this way it'll lay a little better. So, you know, it's the cage side out. So I fold it over, kind of like make it that. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm going to staple it in place here. Okay. Okay. So, you know, you can pin it, you can staple it, you can do what you want with it, but All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to give these bees one more bonk down. Really, maybe just staple this. Maybe let me just staple this. Hold on, guys. Let me give this a staple so it doesn't fall down. Oh, we don't staple the queen. All right, she looks good. Okay. Come on, boys and girls. This has got to go. These are full. I don't get it. Yeah, turn it this way. I'm going to give this a little bonk again. Get them all down. Now we're going to go dump them in. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to leave this set out front. I know. I'm going to put this one in. I'm going to put this one in. I know it's hot. I know. And we're going to put this one in on this side. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put queen underneath the tank because there's your queen, girls. There's your queen right there. And have her back. She doesn't lay, you can keep her permanently. Look out there. Look out, everybody. Okay, in the frame. Everybody's like, free, 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 free at last, free at last. I'm going to put that to the side. Hive tool. These guys have been really good. Keep everything tight. Let's see. This time I'm going to make sure everything is tight. Tight and even. All right, these blocks got to go. Okay. Yep. Okay. It's tight. It's tight. Even, tight. Oh, sorry guys. Need to crush you a little bit. Be casualties, be casualties. Be careful. I'm really going to take my time. Oh, sorry, did I crush your little legs there? Come on, I don't want to crush your little legs. And make sure they're tight. There's no wonkiness. Okay. All right. So, this is the little thing I made. Now, let me give them a little shot of water. Oh, now it's a little bit big, but see what happens. A little crooked, but it is what it is. It'll go down. All right. So I made like a migratory cover for this. And it seems like it just got a little tight. See what happens. I'm going to give a little too much space, but you know what? It's good. It's not going to be here for long, so. We'll cover. Sorry, Mr. B. See how it goes. I need a brick. I probably don't even need that, do I? Maybe I'll just take that off. Just put that on the bottom board, and that's it. That's plenty of room for them. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So, it's an experiment for me, so just bear with me, guys. Seems I propolized my own stuff. Let's do this. Nice. So let's get rid of this. And we're going to go straight to this board. Since it's a migratory cover. Oh, sorry, girls. Always casualties, guys. Okay. See how that looks. Alright. They'll get in and out of there. See how that goes. Then I'll come back. Okay. So that's what we got. Package of bees. New cover with a bucket feeder. You seem pretty gentle. Queen looked pretty good. I'll come back in a few days. I'll check make sure the queen is out. And then we'll call it a day. All right, so really quick. I did put a feeder over there. It's actually just a water feeder. Now these guys, I know, I'm gonna open up my hood. And I know they're gonna wanna get in there just for retribution. But, okay. So you'll see me, you know what? Only thing I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna weed whack everything and get it prepared for see if I get rid of some of these ticks, because there's an awful lot of ticks. So I don't know if you guys want to watch that, but you know what weed whacking looks like. So until we meet again, thank you for your time this time until next time. And it's Tommy Beez from Long Island. I'll be cutting the heck out of this video because I know it's kind of long and there's maybe some nonsense in there. But anyway, we'll talk to you. Bye.